I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to update your security settings on US Bank, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open your web browser and go to the US Bank website. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Account Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, find and click on Security Settings. This section allows you to manage your security preferences. Step 4. Update your security preferences. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Review and confirm changes. After saving your changes, review them to ensure everything is correct. You may receive a confirmation email regarding the updates. Remember, if you enable two-factor authentication, you allow me to verify your identity with a code sent to your phone each time you log in. This adds an extra layer of security. I hope this guide helps you easily adjust your security settings. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.